Hello everybody and welcome back to Outside My Workshop. So today I just wanted to take and do a real quick post. This first thing here, Monday morning. If you guys are watching this in the future, this is when that post was. If you're watching it even further in the future, then guess what? It's probably not Monday anymore. Good chances of that. So today I want to talk about the importance of a good clean scrap pile. Now, what do I mean by a good clean scrap pile? Scrap can take on many different things, and scrap can look very different to very different types of people. But if you take a look down here, hopefully the camera will adjust the lighting and everything here. But this right here is what I consider a good clean scrap pile. Now all this stuff was bought from another blacksmith. He had a change of life. He had some health issues getting out of it, and so therefore I bought all this scrap off him. Some of this stuff was mostly new when he had bought it, but it got left out, got rusty, things like that. Also, I have some additional, if I can get the sun out of my face, I have some additional scrap in this bucket. Now these are odds and end pieces, things I've cut off, stuff I've collected, things that are blocks and chunks of things that I may be able to use at another date for some tools, you name it, stuff like that. And so therefore, a good clean stockpile is something that you want to take and do, definitely. And then, if you look over there, there's a bunch of junk over there in that back corner, and that stuff is the stuff that you don't want to take and have right down here. It's just junk. I'm never going to really use that for anything. It's just junk. It's going to get cut up, it's going to get wasted, it's going to get thrown down in the scrap pile. I just cut new stock. Now, if you are a beginner or if you are a hobbyist, keep every little odd end bit and stuff that you want. But if you're a professional, remember, there's a certain progression to things. You have new material, you have good used material, you have scrap material, and then you have wore out trash material that just needs to be recycled. If you do that and you keep your shop fairly clean and stuff, you'll always know what type of supply you have on hand. Now, the only thing that this doesn't apply to is things like coil spring, leaf springs, anything that's high carbon tool steel that you find. Even if it's kind of cruddy or looks like it's almost rusted out, you still want to keep some of that stuff around. It can have some pretty heavy pitting on the outside, and you can forge most of that out and be okay. And then again, sometimes it's just good to go new if the job requires it. So there's my scrap pile. I hope that gives guys some good information, some food for thought. If it gave you some food for thought, let me know in the comment section down below and give me a big thumbs up. If you liked this video, if you disliked it, go ahead and give me a big thumbs down. That's okay too. I appreciate the feedback. But that's it for today. Let me know what you thought of the video down in the comment section. And like always, God bless you, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Thanks for watching.